The situation in the SADC is very hostile to Mnangagwa. He is currently isolated and the only political wolf in a goat's field, an unwanted election rigging master of the region. It's very difficult for him to chair the SADC meetings. Sanabena mashoko atona kuti aiwa even the SADC block panguva inoyi aiwa iri mustate kugunun'una pamusoro apa the chairman vachifunga kuti aiwa is he the right one nekuda kwokuti aiwa mamedliro ari kuitwa maelections panguva inoyi asati akamboitika in the history of Southern Africa. Sanabena mashoko anoda nyumba panapa kuti subscribe like turn the bell like tipinda panapa muchenjere dhambulanyira chiti. The last SADC summit it called was snapped by leaders of the region. This was never heard of during Mugabe's era. Leaders would stampede for Mugabe-chaired summits, blessed with voice, oratory skills, and wisdom which leader would miss such. Mnangagwa is totally the opposite: poor, uninspiring voice, childish jokes and redos. The recent elections in SADC have been all alleged ZANU-PF attempt to rig. The Mozambican case is the worst. The situation in Mozambique is getting out of hand. The SADC chairman cannot solve it as he is accused as the perpetrator, devil number one. Mnangagwa to be the citizens of Zimbabwe, he has totally failed to solve the electricity problem. The economy enabler number one is energy. In failing to solve this, it means the economy is sliding into terrible and uncontrollable situation. Mnangagwa knows the economy is sliding into 2008 situation, but he has no idea of how to solve it. Instead, he watches as his close family members and political associates loot, putting the final nail on the economic coffin. Tomashofo anulanyongwa panapa newakomana vemchinji radio vachidescribe the situation iri the SADC blog yatokona panguva inoyi aiwa vakomana vanyatsokuona kuti aiwa Southern Africa aiwa yakuparara nokuda this regime. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndakomesa section medu, subscribe, like, and turn the bell icon.